If you're annoyed that you don't have any website unblockers or proxies, I'm going to show you 50 different ones. So if one doesn't work, 49 others. Wait till the end of the video so you can see all different 50 ones. So this is the first one, NGG proxy bypass. You can do many things there. The next one is called RAM ahead browser. This is one of the best ones. So you can search up discord.com, whatever you want, and it will load quite quickly. And then this is the next one, Nebula. And this is another proxy, and then you could search up anything you want, google.com, and this unblocks anything that you want to use. So if your school unblocks it, it doesn't really matter. So the next thing is going to be this one right here. So when you are on this thing right here, as you can see, the link is in the top left. You can search up discord.com, anything you want. And the next one is even harder for your school to block, and it's called Algebra Helper. You could do many different things here. There's already some games preset, but you can just search anything you want to anyway. But this is the Google Doc with all of the 50 different links. So you can look through them right now and type them in, or I can give you the Google Doc down below. And yeah, thank you for watching and subscribe.